I decided to come by the poolside. Today is technically like the first day after the hurricane that we had. South Florida, I live in like South Florida, and like the weather is bright and sunny. It's a beautiful day, like nothing ever happened. I could say that like last night we had like a lot of like wind in Fort Lauderdale. But other than that though, it's a beautiful day. Chill out, we're gonna vibe. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share my videos, let everyone know about my videos. Hey guys, yeah. So this is what South Florida looks like in Fort Lauderdale. The weather is amazing right now. Last night we did get like a whole bunch of like heavy winds, but other than that, my neighborhood is really fine. It's completely fine. Hey you guys, so time for a dip. Gonna take a dip right now. I wonder if the water is cold. Woo! Yeah. Oh guys, the water is freezing right now. Oh my god. Guys, look at the water. Like, the water is freezing, guys. It's freezing. Woo. Guys, look how beautiful the water is. Wow. Guys, the water is cold. Guys, it is freezing in the water. Like, I would not wish anyone to come in here. The water is freezing. Like, look how beautiful the water is. I love it here. I love Florida. I don't think I would ever leave Florida, to be honest. Hey guys, so right now I'm in the water alone. There was actually people in here earlier, but I chose to come out here like now. I think right now it's like probably like 3:40 p.m. And yeah, I'm loving the water right now. Guys, I feel like a mermaid right now. But I wanted to talk about the swimwears that I tried on in like one of my videos. Unfortunately, I didn't buy the swimsuits that were in that video. I think it was like my last recent one, or no, it was the one that I had tried on in Walmart. The ones I tried on in Walmart, and they're beautiful, like really, really beautiful, but I don't know, I just never brought it. I kind of wish I kind of did though, but yeah, I don't know if they're still in stock, but if they are, probably hopefully one day I'll probably buy them. But yeah, pool vlog, guys. Guys, I love the water. Like when I was younger, I always, like every neighborhood that I've been in, like I always wanted to take a swim. Guys, there's people coming. Oh my gosh. Yo, am I congested? But yeah, when I was little, everyone used to be like, Jada, come to the pool, whatever. And I'm like, sure, yeah. I love like being in the water. It's amazing. It's so beautiful out here, guys. Literally. Okay, so the person just left, but yeah, I think they tried to clean the pool, but I don't know why there's stuff still in the water. But anyway, I love it here. I haven't actually been in the pool in like a couple weeks. I know I want to do a video on me taking out my braids. Unfortunately, you guys didn't get the process of me doing these smaller braids just because it took too long, and that it took too long, plus like the process of me doing it really took 4 days, because it would have took really 2 days, but because I was procrastinating and didn't really like finish the hair, it took me like 4 days, and that week was like my birthday week, so your girl was just not feeling it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys subscribing so much to my channel. It means the world to me. Yeah, just let people know about my channel. I don't really care about the age ranges, to be honest with you. I like just act as like, you know, keep the comments clean and respectful. And yeah, I love you guys so much though. But yeah, I decided to do like a little mini pool vlog for you guys because you guys haven't seen me in a little minute. And I'm trying not to go in the deep end, which is over there. Yeah, I mean, I could swim over there, but yeah, no, I don't want to bring my phone all the way over there. But guys, I'm all alone in this beautiful water. Of course, like they need to clean like the leaves, but I think that's probably from the hurricane. But really and truly, guys, like the area that I'm at never got really hit. I'm in South Florida, which is like a little closer to Miami. It's like Broward County. I probably shouldn't say that, but yeah, I'm just gonna say South Florida. Yeah, if you don't know where that is, look it up on Google Maps. But yeah, I don't think we really got hit bad. Maybe Miami, or not even Miami, probably like northern Florida got hit. I've actually lived in different parts of Florida before, so I kind of know about hurricanes. And honestly, is it just me, or like after the hurricane comes, like it's like a brand new day, like nothing never ever happened? Like I feel that way, but I don't know. But whoever ever got hit by the hurricane, I feel bad for the people that either lost their homes, or like if their house is like completely flooded. That means that like all of their documents, important documents, are wet and cannot be recovered or lost. And if that ever happened to me, I don't know what I would do, because there's like a lot of important paperwork that you need. But anyway, I'm just gonna keep it positive right now. guys. I'm trying to do like a cute thumbnail for you guys. Hold on. I haven't vlogged in a minute, so I hope you guys are loving my videos so much. And yeah. Guys, I don't have long arms, so it's kind of hard for me to extend. It's hard for me to extend the selfie stick. But yeah. What else can I talk about? Okay, guys, so maybe the next thing I want to talk about is like having a job. Yeah, I'm still in the process of trying to get a job. The only experience I have is retail experience, which is like, hold on, let me put this down, which is like shopping store experiences. And I've been struggling so far, and this is like the holiday season, and I haven't heard anything back as yet. Hopefully I'll probably get something in the middle of October or late October. We'll see, but your girl needs a job, because I'm planning on giving you guys like try-on hauls. Hold on, I'm floating back in the water. Oh my god. Like I was saying, like I'm planning on giving you guys like mini hauls. I want to do like Shein hauls, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing hauls for you guys. But of course that has to come with income. But just make sure you guys just please make sure you guys subscribe. I'm sorry if I can't really talk. Yeah, what else can I really talk about? Yeah, I just want my channel to grow. I mean, it is growing, and I appreciate you guys so much. I kind of don't want to talk about the same thing in every video, but yeah, this is just a fun pool vlog for you guys. So yeah. Woo! Oh my god, I love you guys. You guys, I literally want to flip my hair. I have braids, but I think I'm gonna take these out. I don't really know when I'm gonna take these out. Probably soon. If not today, probably sometime this week. Maybe. Just depends. I kind of want to, oh guys, I kind of want to show you guys like the little coconut tree. Hold on, I'm going to show you guys the coconut tree. There's the coconut tree right there. And then there's another one somewhere over there or over there in the tree. But yeah, 1, 2, and 3 coconut trees. I wish they were mangoes though. La-di-da-di-da. Yeah, guys, I wish like I had a mango right now or something, but I feel so peaceful right now. I feel at peace, and yeah, it's a beautiful day in Florida. To be exact, South Florida. It's a beautiful day. I was thinking about going to the beach, but I was like, that's too much of a hassle right now. So I decided, I cannot speak. I decided to stay in my neighborhood and take a dip today. Yeah. Woo! It's kind of hard to like swim as like you hold a phone, if you guys know what I mean. Like, am I joking, or like does that make sense? Like, you guys know what I mean. Like, it's hard to like hold the phone while like you're swimming with one hand, to me. But yeah, guys. Woo! Yeah, I'm trying to give you guys like positive vibes. positive vibes alone. Guys, I'm so scared to like float if I'm holding my phone, because I don't want my phone to drop in the water. Like, yes, I know it's kind of waterproof, but like, I've dropped my phone so many times in the water, and I'm not trying to do that anymore. Yeah, I need to keep this phone. And yeah. But I don't know how long this video is gonna be, guys. Yeah, it's just, I'm probably gonna title this video "The Day After a Hurricane," because it's very peaceful right now, and I'm kind of doing like a lot of reflecting right now about life. And I don't know, hopefully things will get better, and whatever it is, even with you guys, like whatever it is, just know that hopefully something will change. I'm trying to put that in my mind, like something will change soon. So yeah. Guys, is it just me, or like whenever you're in the pool or the beach, like you feel like you're in the Caribbean? Like, that's what I'm feeling right now. Like, it's giving island vibes. Oh gosh, it's giving island vibes, guys. I'm loving it. But yeah, when you guys were little, like, I'm not the only one, but like holding on to the rail, like, I don't know, it's so fun. Like, you know, sliding down on the rail, but I'm not gonna do that right now. But I just wanted to show you guys clips of me in the water. It's a beautiful day. I can't really see myself recording because the sun is so bright. Yeah. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful South Florida. Guys, this is what South Florida looks like the day after the hurricane. Or apparently, like, well, technically it didn't really hit us. It didn't hit South Florida. We just got like a lot of like wind. But I'm completely grateful to wake up to this beautiful life. Oh yeah, guys, one thing I forgot to mention is that of course I want to do this vlogging thing. I kind of want to give you guys like more makeup videos. Really and truly, like, I really want my own apartment, my own room. Of course I know I have to work towards that, but yeah, if you guys could like help me out with like subscribing, that means the world. Because once I have like my own apartment, I'll be able to do like more like sit down videos, more makeup videos, girl chats and things like that. So yeah. But guys, I'm all alone in this water doing reflecting, or what's that word, relaxation. Doing a lot of relaxation right now. Yeah. Woo! Hopefully I'll be able to get an apartment soon. But yeah, or like a room. But yeah. Guys, I'm loving the water. 10 out of 10. The water's great. I'm soaked. Yeah. I am soaked to the T, guys. But look at the water. Oh, beautiful water. Y'all, I literally feel like I'm in the Caribbean right now. It feels so peaceful just being out here alone, guys. I'm loving it. Guys, I wish I could be a mermaid and show you guys like under the sea. Under the water. Like, I mean, technically I could, but I just don't know if my phone's gonna work. So yeah, I don't want to take that chance at all. Yeah, no. But it's a beautiful day. Woo! Guys, look how little my neck is. Like my neck in the water. But don't worry, guys, I'm not drowning. I promise you that. That's one thing. I am not about to drown. Beautiful. Guys, so I've been thinking, like, should I dread my hair? Like, should I get dreadlocks? Like, start locking my hair? I don't know. Like, do you guys think dreads would look good on me? But like I was saying, do you guys think that dreads would look good on me? I think so. Cause like dreads, like people in my family had dreads before. These braids kind of look like it's giving like dread vibes a little bit. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, like I feel like dreads would look good on me. Like as long as like I style my hair. Yeah. I can't wait to give you guys more beauty I cannot speak today. I can't wait to give you guys more beauty content because I know that like some of you guys are like females on here, and of course I'm not the type of girl that does my makeup every day. No, I do my makeup like on occasions. So therefore yeah, I will just probably try to do some in the long run, because I don't wear makeup like that a lot. I kind of just wear it for fun, do it for fun. So yeah. Guys, so right now I'm going inside, and I spent probably about like an hour out here. It was very relaxing, very peaceful, to like self-reflect, and I kind of like it. I should probably come out here more in the water. It gives like good vibes. Of course the sun is coming back out. Yeah, it's amazing. Florida's amazing. I don't think I'll ever leave. If I do, I would probably live somewhere temporary and then probably migrate back to Florida because I really do like Florida. But yeah, guys.